Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Scout 175 Sportfish. So transitioning inside the boat, I do want to point out this boat is equipped with the optional black hull color. And here at the bow, we've got this model equipped with the optional bow rail. Forward, we have a designated space for your anchor, large bow cushion, and finished out storage beneath. We also have this boat equipped with a trolling motor plug. Forward of the console, we have a removable cooler seat. We have two Fusion speakers forward. Here at the helm, we have a nice stainless steel grab rail along with a windshield, adjustable footrest for the driver and his passenger, lockable glove box storage, cup holders that are plugged and drained, digital switches from Yamaha, digital gauges rather, an adjustable steering wheel, and a battery select switch. We've also got ample amounts of storage, access to the port side for the console as well. The helm seat has an adjustable backrest that moves fore and aft, so you can sit facing aft, or your driver can lean while your passenger sits. We've also got a removable cooler beneath the helm seat as well. Your live well is beneath the port side rear deck jump seat on the 175 Sportfish, along with other storage and access to rigging tubes on the starboard side. This model also has the optional removable backrests. These backrests come out and offer more rod holder storage as well. This boat is equipped with the 90 horsepower motor from Yamaha, and we also have an integrated swim platform on the port side with a telescoping swim ladder of the boat, and of course the bimini top. Again, my name is Carl Anderson. We're at MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our Facebook page for the latest happenings with your local MarineMax store. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.